Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. J Dolls UK and I have been doing a wonderful collab that we opened as a challenge to the viewers with Dolls Gone Goth. And we've had a different theme, and we asked you for the September theme to vote on the category of 3: punk, skulls and skeletons, or pirates. It was a very close vote. The punk, I had 7 votes, Jay had 11 for 18. Skulls and skeletons, I had 10 votes, Jay had 7 for a total of 17 votes. And pirates, I had 11 votes, and so did J Dolls. And so that came to 22. So, hey, matey, I hope you'll be making a Pirates video on September 16th. Dress a doll like a pirate or show us a doll that is a pirate, adding the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth Pirates. Please drop by J Dolls UK's channel. Her link is listed below, and see what she has to tell you today about the collab. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.